Hi guys! So for today's video, we are going to talk about example number 2 of the angles formed by the second line and tangent line. Again, paano ba natin malalaman na tangent line yung line? Kapag minit niya yung circle at 2 points. Paano naman pag tangent line? Kapag na-meet niya yung circle at 1 point. And anong tawag dun sa intersection ng tangent line at circle? We call it point of tangency. Okay? So, ang formula pa rin natin ay intercepted arc is equal to twice the angle. So, we are going to solve for the value of x. Okay? Since we know that intercepted arc is equal to twice the angle, let's write the working equation. Okay? Ano ba yung intercepted arc natin? The measure of arc AB is equal to twice the measure of angle ABC. Okay? So, what is the measure of arc AB? We have x plus 50. Equal siya sa 2 times the measure of angle ABC. Angle ABC is equal to 80. Okay? So, we have here x plus 50 is equal to, what is 2 times 80? We have, correct, 160. Now, kailangan natin x lang. So, para ma-isolate siya, ilipat natin yung 50 from positive magiging negative. So, x is equal to 160 minus 50. So, x is equal to, what is 160 minus 50? We have 110. So, the value of our x is 110. Okay, now, nagets ba? Oh, ang dali lang ito ha. Sobrang sisiyo. Now, you try to solve for number 4, wherein our arc AB is equal to x minus 60 and angle ABC is equal to 100. What will be the value of x? Okay? Don't forget to follow for more math videos and remember that sharing is caring. Bye!